Hi friends, welcome to my channel Yummy Bites. Today I am showing you how to make a simple but tasty grilled chicken. When it's nice weather outside, we love to grill. So let's grill the chicken. It's so delicious. To start, let's make the marinade. We need 1 pot of garlic, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 piece of ginger, black pepper. Grind them all together to make a paste. Clean 4 chicken breasts and keep aside. Transfer the grinded paste to a large vessel and add spices to it. Now add 1½ teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is better. Add about 1½ teaspoon of salt as per your taste and 1 spoon of curd. Give it a good mix. Let all the spices blend together. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint leaf or kasuri methi. Crush with your hand before adding. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil, olive oil or any vegetable oil. Then mix them together. The spicy paste is ready to marinate the chicken pieces. Place the chicken breast one by one to the mix. Coat each piece with the marinade in all sides nicely. Make sure that the masala paste is coating all sides of chicken pieces. This will make it more tasty. Now the chicken pieces are marinated properly. Let's cover and keep it in refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. The longer you marinate is better for the better taste. Our marinated chicken is ready. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat, which is about 450 Fahrenheit, for 10 minutes. Place an aluminum sheet below the grill to collect the dripping while grilling. Apply oil to the steel rack so that the chicken do not stick to it. Then place the chicken breast on the greased steel rack. Chicken pieces are ready to go inside the grill. Keep the chicken on the rack inside the grill and close the lid of the grill. Let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and check the chicken. Apply oil to each piece of chicken. Turn the chicken breast on the grill and grill for another 10 to 15 minutes properly. Let's keep the chicken breast in the grill and close the lid. After 10 minutes, take the chicken out and apply oil or butter on them using a brush. Check whether the chicken is cooked properly. If not cooked properly, grill until they are just cooked too. Once the chicken is grilled properly, off the grill and let the chicken pieces rest for 5 minutes. Our grilled chicken breasts are ready. Let's place them on a serving dish. Beautiful and yummy.